social media and YouTube services. YouTube services. इसके अलावा and next is YouTube services, social media and YouTube services, and also some Google services like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Google Reviews, Gmails, Codemails, and many more special services. And let's enhance this with AI. So AI will adopt this very quickly and set up our website very nicely. Okay, here it is. Click on next. Okay, services है, social media है, YouTube management है, PPC advertisement है. PPC advertisement को मैं देखता हूँ यहाँ पे सर्विस फीचर जो 3 है मैं कह रहा हूँ कोड मेल में कह रहा हूँ कोड मेल्स और यूट्यूब मैनेजमेंट की जगह आई सेट ऐसे यूट्यूब सर्विसेज दैट्स इट click on next. Choose a tone of voice of content formal and informal. Okay. So here the process will begin and our website will be ready in a few minutes. So let's talk about security. Stay protected with automated security scans and firewall, ensuring your website remains safe from threats. This is also I like the very most and powerful feature of 10web.io. Image optimization is also one of the features. Automatically optimize and compress image to improve site speed and user experience. So here I will create a website, step-by-step process, show how you can get it started. Okay, let's preview and edit. So 10web.io have their own editor like Elementor Pro and other. It is too much easy for us. Okay, here we got our result. Facebook ads, Google Ads Management, Google Reviews Management, YouTube Services, Social Media Services, Code Mails, Social Media, YouTube, and we got covered. Wait. Project completed, happy clients are received. In the edit section, I can edit this. Section. So here I put our clients. I mean, this is too much work for a beginner or a basic website that all have need. This is too much. Okay. In the portfolio section, let me go to. Okay. Maybe I can edit this. These images are not matching our content or our website, so I can edit this later. Okay. About section. In about section, that is pretty nice. Okay. Content section. Oh, nice. in the content section you can email and message us, and etc. Okay, let's check out how this is looking in the mobile phone. If I click on services, digital marketing agency, a digital marketing agency, the bio, and these are our services. That's simple and too much smooth, yeah. So hope you like it and you know how to create an account. In the next video we will edit this site, also customize this website according to our need and make it more better and make it and also customize this the thing that is not necessary or not related to us. So keep in touch with us, and in the next part of the video we will edit this whole templates. A little bit changes I have to be done, and also tell you that how you can add your card and avail these services for a 7-day free trial. So get in touch with us, and hope you like the video and complete this journey and learn to use your mind and creativity to win super website. Okay, keep learning till next. Okay.